Hello students. I am teacher Shushmita Pawar and today class 2nd D will revise grammar topics. Yes, are you ready everyone? Yes. So students, tell me what is noun?
Noun is the name of a person, place, animals, and things.
Very good. Now tell me what is proper noun?
Proper noun is special name
And common noun?
is common name.
What is pronoun?
Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun.
What is subject pronoun?
Subject pronoun means person doing the action. Object pronoun means object receiving the action.
Very good. Now tell me what does singular and plural means?
Singular means one, plural means more than one.
Very good. Now tell me what is verb?
Verb means action. Action means verb. Verb means action. Action means verb.
Now tell me what are adjectives?
Adjective means describing the words.
Adjective means describing words. Very good. Everyone clap for yourself.